Hello and welcome in. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio, and in this video we are going to be talking about Unicorn Energy Healing System. Well, let us first understand what are unicorns. As the name suggests, uni means one and corn represents horn. So a creature that is one horn is called a unicorn. There are many mythological stories, pictures and many other references across different mythology that suggest that these magical beings once walked among us. It is also said that ever since the humankind has been there, unicorns were there. But due to certain motives, due to certain greed that we all had, we ended up slaying all of them. So now they are energetically present with us. Sometimes from their realm, they energetically come and help us. Why would they help us? They help us during this phase or during this time of transition so that we can lift our vibrations and we receive a renewal. Yes, their horns are said to be having a magical property that help us renew, whether it is our emotions, our monies, our relationship, any area or any front of our life that needs a renewal, they help us with those energies. In this system, there is an attunement, one symbol, and a process through which we draw in these renewal energies, we draw in energies of unicorns and then transfer it to our clients, to our friends, to our family members. Just like angels and dragons, they are now energetically present with us, no longer in physical form. Some of them are said to be very rare with a golden horn. The energies, their auras are usually white and golden, and most of them have that silver horn. As I said, their horns have a magical property of renewing something, and that is one of the reasons why it is said that when they were physically present with us, they were being slayed for receiving or extracting their horns. Now, when you go ahead and work with this energy system, it helps you receive and draw in their energy, and it gives you also renewal in your life. In this workshop that I'm teaching, you can opt to come in and be present in a live workshop on a Zoom call with me. The attunements will be given in distance, or you can choose to go ahead and learn all the things, including a meditation, through video calls, a series of video calls, and receive an attunement and receive a time where you can go ahead and connect with me, ask your queries, ask your doubts, and learn the processes that I practice with my own clients. I've seen people who are depressed, who are anxious, who are into a very confused state receive very beautiful energies through this system. Their vibrations are raised and they are able to figure out their lives very easily, very quickly. So if you are drawn and attracted to unicorns, if you are drawn to the energy of this workshop, go ahead and read the description box below and you can get in touch with me. If you wish to receive more interesting workshops and more interesting knowledge on many other spiritual fronts, go ahead and follow us on different social media platforms, and you will always be updated about what's happening at Yana's Healing Studio. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.